Hipar self, male. Urine, yeah, urine. Are you able to see this?
Yes,
Voided
sir.
slowly without force, drops vertically. My कल ही मैंने एक patient को दिया कल. Bladder weak. Seems as if some always remained. Greasy pellicles on urine. That is, we have seen in Sumbul, no? Which remedy we solve? Oily.
Sumbul.
Yes. Bladder difficulties of old man. My God, see, bladder difficulties of old man. Phosphorus, sulfur and copaiba. प्लीज उसको अंडरलाइन करो, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. ब्लैडर डिफिकल्टी इन ओल्ड मैन. Voided slowly without force, drops vertically, bladder weak, seems as if some always remain. Greasy pedicles on urine, bladder difficulties of old man, phosphorus, sulfur and copaiba. Cloudy weather, mental effects, aggravation. Cloudy weather aggravation. Constipation, cloudy weather aggravation. Sedentary life living, no? Aloes are sedentary lives. And very important symptom of Aloe from complete repertory is routine life. Routine life they desire. Indolence, aversion to work, quarrelsome scolding, anger oneself with constipation aggravation, fear people of anthrophobic, discontent oneself with constipation aggravation, anxiety success from doubt about. रूटा में देखा ना हमने, रूटा देखा ना, anxiety success from doubt about नहीं देखा. अरे हाँ तो बोलो. Hatred persons of offended who had music aversion to Aloe. सब में Aloe ही आ रहा है. So beautiful the remedy are. Basically they are routinist. Complete repertory बताता हूँ आपको. See what is given in complete repertory. आप टाइप करो. If you type routine desire, RUTRTIN, routine.
So there is a rubric fraternized with the whole world in Aloes.
Yes. Good. It is given where, you know, from where they have taken. From Allen's Encyclopedia, patronize. First you see this. Routine desire. They are routinists like Kalika. See the remedy is given. Kalika, Kali iod, Kali mure, Kali fossi. The range of Kalis. हम लोग काली देते हैं पर एलोय नहीं देते. Please see barytas. My God, see baryta acetate, baryta carb, baryta, baryta mure, baryta phos, calcarea one, only one calcarea. Capsicum, cypraeglantina. What is cypraeglantina ka? What is mental symptom of cypraeglantina? Who will tell me? अरे बाबा बोलो. Cypraeglantina.
It's like calcarea carb. Like calcarea carb, very similar.
Like calcarea. Any one rubric if you can tell me. One mental symptom of cypraeglantina. Do you want me to show you? Cypra?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Bargaining. They always bargain.
Mm.
This is very important of cypraeglantina. I have used in such cypra classes like pulsatilla, silica, sulfur and bryonia. Cypraeglantina. What is cypra? Who will tell me?
It is from the sea. It's a
Yes.
snail from the
Snail.
sea.
Yes. Very good. It is a snail. Cypraeglantina. Are you able to see?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Cypraeglantina, they are very bargaining. Mind symptom bargaining, pulsatilla, silica, sulfur, and bryonia. आ रहा वीडियो वॉइस तो नहीं आएगा एटलीस्ट एसेंस तो मिल धीमे धीमे चलता है ना walk slowly slowly and they have lot of fear of predators अंदर घुस जाएगा so threat and goes okay threat and goes life इतना छोटा है ना they will like to bargain समझ में आया why they bargain because life is very short क्योंकि उसको बचाना है ना जिंदगी में हम लोग बार्गेन क्यों करते हैं फ्यूचर का सोच के we think about our future so that we can save some money that's why we bargain एटलीस्ट 2 रुपया भी बच गया
अगं ते वाकू ते भूषणामध्ये हे हे कुटोकीचं घुसलं मध्येला इकडे तिकडे सारखं सारखं
राहू दे मी टाकेल नको ते सागर गोळा पप्पांची किती फुगली बघ तर उद्या पप्पांची टाकू पप्पांची
मला का नाही वेचवले
काय आणलंय त्याच्यात
so pace wise it is very slow psychotically no एक मिनट यार बंद कैसे करूं अभी आ रहा है फोकस में see cypra cases you will see this is the I have case solved with this mental symptom but there are few cases which I have solved so I can't tell you so much detail about cypra cases because they need lot of more understanding but this mental symptom I have used in one of my case that's why I told you okay another very important of the Aloe case Aloe worse during constipation in BBC or efficacy mind aggravation constipation during only 3 remedies nux
साखर घ्यायला
Aloe natrum view see
फुल फिरला बघ असं
जेव्हा कुल पाहिजे वाटतं जायचं माहिती आहे दुपारी मला
now we'll start with clinical essence of Aloe the clinical essence multiple digestive problems with target organ is bowel example IBS acute diarrhea with explosive gas multiple hormone problems अरे बापा ये hormonal problems का है हम कभी सोचते ही नहीं aloe has a hormonal problem. Compulsive thoughts like OCDs, cleanliness mania and time punctuality. अरे बाबा, time punctuality, OCDs, cleaning manias. Aloe is one of them. They are dissatisfied with oneself, discontented, quarrelsome, abusive, hatred who do not agree with them. They are worse mentally when constipated. BBCR पढ़ो उस टाइम BBCR. They are worse mentally when constipation, cloudy weather, which is very symptom of aloe. I have used in hypertensive patients. BBCR. BBCR open करो. Can you see BBCR?
No, yes, no.
Yes, sir.
See the mind symptom given in BBCR aloe socotrina. Active, anger, anthrophobia, anxiety, company aversion to, complaining, confused, contemptuous, death agony, thoughts of, disgust, fear, fear-rattling noise from, hatred and revenge. My God, that's why it is from leprosy myism, according to Sankaran. Hypochondriasis, ill humor, indifference, indolence, aversion to work, irritable, life satiety of, peevish, quarrelsome, restlessness, thinking inclination for and for mental exertion. My God. ये देखो एग्रावेशन क्लाउडी वेदर दिखा, एग्रावेशन कॉन्स्टिपेशन ड्यूरिंग दिखा,
Yes, sir.
Yes,
exertion,
sir.
aggravation, exertion, mental, aggravation, pain during, aggravation, sleepiness with, aggravation, vertigo, aggravation, weather cloudy, only 2 remedies, ambulation, stool after. ये क्लाउडी वेदर में 2 ही दवा है देखो, अमोनियम कार्बन एलॉय देखा, see
Yes,
how
sir.
beautiful our remedies are. Can you tell me head, ambulation, stool after? Head pain, ambulation, stool after. Which is the remedy? Head, pain, stool after, ambulation.
Pothos.
No, that is asthma. Simple headache, better by stool after. Ronen.
Zinkum?
You have to open
Aituza.
Fatak. You are near. Please open Esa Foetida. Fatak Matre Medica. Occipital headache, better by stool. खास करके occipital headache. I have confirmed in many of my cases of SF-42. It is a miracle drug, again, a gem of a drug. Are you able to see? Occipital region, better stool. It is a gem of a drug. Headache better by closing eyes. Which is the drug?
Aloes.
Area.
No,
Aloe.
Aloe socotrina. See? Boric Matra Medica, Aloe. Partially, see? Heaviness in eyes must castily close them. Please see. आ रहा है ऑनलाइन? Aches above forehead with heaviness in eyes must partially close them. This is very, very important of aloe cases. And the first line of boric is very important. An excellent remedy to aid re-establishing physiological equilibrium after much dosing. See, dosing. Where disease and the drug symptoms are much mixed. There is no remedy richer in symptoms of portal congestion and none that has given better clinical result both from primary pathological condition and secondary phenomena. Bad effects from sedentary life or habits, especially suitable to lymphatic and hypochondriacal patients. The rectal symptoms usually determines the choice. Adapted to varied people, the aged, the phlegmatic, old beer drinker, like Ali Chromical, no? होली में सबसे ज्यादा दारू पिया है, बियर. होली मतलब दारू, that is beer. Dissatisfied and angry about himself, alternating with lumbago. Heat internally and externally are both important, like ammonium. Ammonium, heat internally and externally, has been used successfully in treatment of consumption by giving pure juice. My God. What is the meaning of this last sentence? Has been used successfully in the treatment of consumption by giving the pure juice. What is consumption?
Tuberculosis.
Tuberculosis.
Very good. See,
Tuberculosis.
tuberculosis. Very good. So has been given successfully in the treatment of consumption by giving pure juice. See, Baba Ramdev has said, Aloe. कोई भी चीज लगाओ, Aloe. साबु तो Aloe. स्किन में बाल उतरते हैं, Aloe. पूरी दुनिया एलोए वेरा पे है. And the most important symptom of aloe is fraternization or fraternity, brotherhood sensation. It is given in Allen Encyclopedia. You like to see? चलो मैं बताता हूँ. This is taken from Allen Encyclopedia. Yes. सब लोग को दिखाई दे रहा है क्योंकि बहुत मेहनत से मिला है मुझे ये fraternization session.
Yes,
बहुत
sir.
ढूंढा है. Fraternize, marry, self-contented, fraternize with whole world, fifth day of proving. It was very difficult to find, but I could find this thing in Allen Encyclopedia. Marry, self-contented, fraternize with whole world, fifth day. Allen has given wonderful mental symptoms. They behave in a friendly way to outsider due to their insecurity nature. Oh my God. See, Praful Vijayakar has given wonderful essence of aloe socotrina. You should read Praful Vijayakar for that. I hope this Zomato opens, Zomi opens, Zomato. आजकल जोमेटो ही होता है ना. आजकल कुछ भी होता है वो जोमेटो ही होता है. क्या मंगाओ जोमेटो कर देन भाई. पूरी दुनिया अभी जोमेटो पे चल रही है. जोमेटो एंड जोमियो. प्रफुल विजयकर अंडरस्टैंडिंग टेम्परस. ये टाइम नहीं है, नहीं तो आपको बताता मैं. एलोई के बारे में बहुत मस्त दिया हुआ है. एक्सपर्टीज सिस्टम एक्सपर्ट. कभी टाइम मिलेगा तो मैं आपको बताऊं.
So he has
Sure.
described him as a political personality.
वेरी गुड. एज अ पॉलिटिकल पर्सन, कोई कहीं भी जाएगा हाथ ऊंचा करेगा उसको. हाय कैसा है भाई तेरे को. पॉलिटिकल पर्सन अकॉर्डिंग टू प्रोफुकस understanding, Praful Vijayakar sir's understanding for LR. और बहुत सारे डिटेल्स दिया हुआ है, भी जैसे टाइम मिलेगा हम देखेंगे. फिर आगे, they behave in a friendly way to outsider due to their insecurity. They have to wait for urine and stained stool with anal pruritus better by applying ice. Oh my God. Craves apple. Aversion to apple is what? Who has aversion to apple? अरे कोई बोल नहीं है, सो गए क्या 1 बजे? People have gone to sleep, I think. चलो टाइम बहुत
Lysinum.
आधे घंटे.
Lysinum.
Aversion to apple is Helleborus. Think about Helleborus. They do not like music, aggravation by light, tremors, ambra and thuja. Plant classified Liliaceae. It is from Liliaceae. This is Aloe socrates. Okay, let's call for the day. एक केस रह गया पर चलेगा, भी नेक्स्ट टाइम लेंगे.
सर शॉर्ट में बता दो ना फटाफट स्लाइड्स.
लालच लालच. ओके चलो बता ही देते हैं. ये केस और बहुत सारे हैं बेटा, बहुत सारे, एक नहीं है, बहुत सारे, बहुत पीएचडी है इसमें, फिर मजा नहीं आएगा. वी शुड कंस्ट्रेंट विद द टाइम.
सर शाम को 4 बजे.
अरे मार डालो भैया. ओ भाई राज सर, बहुत बड़ा राज है तेरा. अच्छा सुनो, एनी क्वेश्चन यू कैन आस्क मी. आई विल गिव यू क्वेश्चन आंसर फॉर 5-10 मिनट्स. लेट मी, यू कैन आस्क मी एनीथिंग. लेट्स
सर
हैव अ
फर्स्ट
क्वेश्चन आंसर.
में डोज एंड पोटेंसी.
क्या क्या?
सर फर्स्ट 2
Potency.
केसेस में डोजेज एंड पोटेंसी रिपीटेशन.
See, when you see a mind symptom prominent, you should start with 200 or 1 m. It is a repetition for 2 days, morning, evening, and followed by LM potency. If it is 1 m, then it is 0/8. If it is 200, it is 0/5, depending on the case. LM 1 and 2 is 6. LM 3 and 4 is 30. 5 and 6 is 30. 630. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4 is 30. 5, 6 is 200. And 1m is 7 and 8. And 200 and 1m was given in a very long distance time. Anything else? बहुत सारे remedies है. There are many remedies you can learn. A single remedy, infrequent repetition, and wonderful results. Superb results we have.
Sir, and in hello.
Sorry.
In LM, how we will go with the repetitions then?
You can start with the level of experience of the patient. If you are given 200, you can start with 5. If it is you are given 1m, you can start with 8. 8 can be given daily at night time.
Daily one
at
dose.
night time. Daily one dose at night time. For
Okay,
at least minimum 5 to 10 days. 10 days you can give.
Okay.
10 days.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, can you give some hints about fungal infection, nails fungal infection?
Nail fungal infection, you can read the Kali iodatum boric.
Thank you.
Yeah. Second very nice remedy is Sempervinum tectorum. Third remedy is Cassia alata, Kali iodatum, Sempervinum tectorum, Thuja, Medorinum, and it is like Olympic rings. It is tellurium. Olympic rings. Have you seen Olympic rings? It is tellurium. And
Sir.
if the patient is If the patient is hot, it is bacillinum. If the patient is chilly, it is tuberculosis. You should give intercurrent nosodes to all the fungal cases or it will not be cured. You may need ringwormism or ringworm nosode 200. Ringworm 200 also is needed.
Sir, Cassia Allada indication.
Cassia alata is on the pathological basis.
Okay.
You can give in mother tincture or 6 potency. Cassia alata. Sempervinum works much better. And fungus at the coccyx part start with bovista. At the coccyx. Regional affinity, bovista. And if the patient tells you about dream of snakes biting, bovista is also indicated with a fungal. If the patient tells you that I have a craving for indigestible thing, think about Calcarea carp, because Calcarea carp works wonderfully in fungal cases, many fungal cases. Calcarea carbonicum. Intercurrently, you can give sulfur in many fungal cases. Sulfur, very common remedy, but it works wonderfully. According to Dr. Bennett, fungal you should treat with bacillinum. It is the dictum of Dr. Burnett, start with bacillinum. Sometimes you can give Juglane cinerea or Juglane maritima. That also works in fungal cases. Juglane with occipital headed, given in boric. Any other questions? And fungal related to hormone is Aristolochia clematis. Aristolochia clematis, fungal with a hormonal change or when OC pills have been given. You can also give Wuforinum also. Folliculinum. I have a case of folliculum treated with folliculum fungus treated with folliculum also. With a dream of breast or the mame. This is important of folliculum. If anything which is large and spreading, think about Bacillinum and Thuja. Psychotic miasm is Thuja and Bacillinum. Bacillinum craves lot of sweet things. Bacillinum changes the doctors, like Sanicula. Sanicula is also a good remedy for fungus. The patient should be hot. It is hot silica, that is Sanicula. Sanicula has perspiration parts lain on. This is very important symptom given in Fata. Parts lain on. When the child who has large stool, बहुत बड़ा stool, large hard stool of children with perspiration lain on. When the perspiration, especially the occiput, this area. This is typical of the Sanicula cases. Whole head is Calcarea carp. In fungal cases, you have to rule out in this way. If there is some smell between the fingers, are you able to see fingers? Fingers and toes. This Baryta carbonicum in fungal cases. Baryta carbonicum. Baryta carbonicum with a smell between the fingers is indication in fungal cases. Think about Baryta carbonicum with Baryta mind. And Baryta has lot of confusion of mind. They have lack of confidence. Treat fungal as a constitutional remedy. Treat fungal as an intercurrent remedy. Treat fungal as a constitution remedy. Sarcodes, nosodes are required because it is a syphilitic expression. It is psychosyphilitic. Why psycho? Because it has a fixed area limitation. This is psychotic. And when it is spreading, it is psychotic. And when there is itching, it is soric. When it creates an ulceration, it is a syphilitic. It is multimiasmatic. It is mixed miasm which is involved in fungal. So that's why the people are not getting results. They are crying. And ladies who have the hormonal change will have fungal problem. because it is infective. It is a tubercular origin also. So treat them with bacillinum. So mind of infection. Calcarea carb, no fear of contagious in corona period. Fungal will be increased. We are ruled by viruses, fungus and bacteria. So you can, if you can also think about streptococcinum, think widely. Fungal will give you, even you can think about floric acid. When you see rapid growth of nails, it is indication of floric acid. Floric acid with fungal will have craving for highly seasoned foods or spicy, tikha, so much spicy. Floric acid. Floric acid does not emulation by tight clothing, which is reverse of sepia. What is reverse of sepia? Is aversion. Sepia doesn't like tight anything, no? So floric acid likes light clothes, which is reverse. If you want to read boric, you can read from boric floric acid. This is indication you can give in fungus. And fungal hair loss, think about floric acid, patchy hair loss. They are very hot patients, floric acid. There are many delusions in floric acids. Delusion as if the marriage has to be dissolved, no? Because of the row 2 fluorine. Fluorine, when the child is being separated, this is the essence of fluorine, no? If you study the rows, fluorine, oogling, there are oogles. When a girl is going, they will pass a very lewd comments, that is fluoric acid. Fluoric acid can be seen in colleges when the group of boys who is shouting, when the lone girl is moving. These are all fluoric acid. Fluoric acid would like to chew a lot of tobaccos. These are all fluoric acid patients. The nails grow very faster in fluoric acid. Any other questions?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, you were speaking about IBS. You told 2-3 remedies that time.
Yeah.
Some
First
remedy.
remedy also you can think about pepsinum in IBS. Pepsinum. Please write pepsinum. Second is Glyceria glabra. Glyceria glabra in IBS. Third remedy Third remedy is Argentum nitricum. It is wonderful IBS remedy. Fourth remedy is Dicentricocom. Wonderful remedy for IBS. Wonderful remedy. Wonderful remedy. Fifth remedy is Aloe in IBS. If you give pepsinum in IBS, in loose stool, you are sure to get the result in IBS. Ramban ilaj, it has to work because these are most difficult cases to treat. IBS is very difficult.
And dose
Sorry?
of
30 you
pepsinum
can
dose
start
and
with 30 repeated for 2 days, then all SL, all placebos. Any questions?
so for hyperhidrosis, any specific medicine?
See, one should not treat so much specific, but it's okay. You should start with hydrocotyl. It is good. Any other question?
Sir,
Yes, sir.
સર ગોલબ્લેડર સ્ટોનમાં ઇન્ડિકેટેડ મેડિસિન વર્ક ન કરે, મતલબ કે સિમ્ટમ્સ રિલીવ થાય છે પણ જે સાઇઝ છે એ ઓછી નથી થતી. આપણે માયઝમેટિક પણ આપી જોઈએ કે થુજા છે કે મેડોરિનમ છે સાયકોટિક, પણ તો પણ સર સાઇઝ ઓછી ન થાય તો એના માટે શું કરવાનું?
એના માટે બોલ્ડો આપવાનું. બોલ્ડો, BOLDO, બોલ્ડો, BOLDO, બોલ્ડો. If you read hyperacidity and hypoacidity from China earth, Robinia, China earth, and there is third remedy there in boric metamedica. If you want to see, I can show you. Okay. See, China earth. orexin tannate. It was good remedy. Are you able
Please.
to
Sir,
see?
which one? Sir, which one?
Orexin tannate. Robinia argentum nitricum, orexin tannate, and boldo. Boldo, B-O-L-D-O, Boldo, B-O-L-D-O. Boldo gives wonderful results in gallbladder stones. You want to see Boldo from this? Okay, I'll show you.
Sir,
मिल रहा है, दिख
repetition
रहा है?
for Boldo.
Repetition, you can give few repeated BD for at least 1 week and then you can stop.
30
It is
ना?
given in 30. See Boldo, देखा आपने Boldo क्या दिया है? देखा? देखो यार, गॉल ब्लैडर कैलकुलेट पूरा दिया ही हुआ है Boldo. राज सर देखा?
यस सर।
देखो, सी मर्फी व्हाट इज गिवन. Boldo, gallstone. दिख रहा है? Learn your
Yes.
mathematical like anything. सपने में भी पता होना चाहिए. Boldo gives result like boldly, audacious, bold. इतना जबरदस्त है. आपको रिजल्ट ना मिले तो बोलना आप मुझे. Boldo gives bold results in gallbladder stones. There are many others. One of them is Juglans also. Juglan rixia and Juglan cinerea. If you open Juglans, अरे यार सब सीक्रेट पूछ लेने वाले हो क्या? बहुत बड़ा सीक्रेट है. राज सीक्रेट पूछ लेने वाले हो क्या?
यस सर, अभी तो काफी कुछ है।
अभी काफी कुछ है. अभी देखो, ये देखो मेरे भाई, अब तो पिक्चर बहुत बाकी है भाई. ये देख, ये देख क्या लास्ट लाइन में क्या लिखा है. बोल. कोलेलिथियासिस मतलब क्या? व्हाट इज कोलेलिथियासिस?
Gallbladder stone.
हाँ, जुगलन सिनेरिया यूज करो ना यार. बताओ मेरे को, रिजल्ट आएगा क्यों नहीं आएगा? ऑक्सीपिटल हेडेक होना चाहिए.